Amid the ongoing turmoil of Russia-Ukraine war, two Indian nationals recruited by the Russian army were killed in Ukraine, revealed the Ministry of External Affairs on Tuesday. Stressing that Indian officials have requested Russia to refrain from recruiting Indian nationals for its military, MEA mentioned that these actions would contradict the principles of the India-Russia partnership. Earlier in March this year, two other Indians forcefully recruited in the Russian army were also found dead in the ongoing Ukraine conflict. While MEA highlighted that the country has strongly taken up the matter with the Russian authorities, it also underlined that there should be a verified stop to any further recruitment of its Indian citizens by the Russian army. Offering its deepest condolences, the MEA noted that the Indian embassy in Moscow has pressed Russia and its Ministry of Defense for the early repatriation of the mortal remains of the two citizens. Additionally, the Ministry of External Affairs advised Indian nationals to exercise caution while seeking employment opportunities in Russia. For those unaware, the Central Bureau of Investigation uncovered a major human trafficking network targeting Indian nationals with promises of lucrative jobs abroad, but instead sent them to the Russia-Ukraine war zone. After conducting multiple searches in various locations, the agency stated that these traffickers operated as an organized network, luring Indian nationals through social media channels like YouTube and local agents for highly paid jobs in Russia. Earlier in March as well, two other Indians who were forcefully recruited by the Russian army were found dead in the ongoing Ukraine conflict. Identified as Hemil Ashwin Bhai Mangukhia of Surat in Gujarat and Mohammad Asfan from Hyderabad, were hired as helpers for the Russian army but were forced to participate in the ongoing war, their families had said.